breaking news alert. We have been tracking the migration of the zombies and reporting it live to you so you can protect yourself and your family. I want to give you an update on the zombie invasion. Here is what we know. The latest tracking shows the zombies in Sparks and Spanish Springs. Now, most people are fleeing east to escape the zombies, but we have learned that there are some brave locals that are taking a stand against the zombies and fighting back. They are at the Andelin family farm. Believe it or not, this family is fighting the zombies. They've equipped school buses to be zombie battle wagons. These battle wagons are state-of-the-art zombie slaying machines. Andelin Family Farm said they are enlisting all able-bodied men, women, and children to help fight back.